Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial lined up for you. We're going to walk you through the process of creating an SSH, SSL/TLS server payload and setting it up on the ARMOD VPN app. This setup will help you achieve faster speeds and a more secure web connection. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to visit our blog. Link is in the description. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Now, let's get started. First, let's create an SSH TLS server account. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu icon. It may look like 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the list, click on SSH Server. A new window will pop up. Then click on SSH Tunnel Server. This will take you to the account creation page. Here, enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be displayed on the screen. Take note of these details. We'll need them for the VPN setup. Now that you have your SSH TLS server details, let's set up the connection in the ARMOD VPN app. First, make sure you have the latest version of ARMOD VPN installed. Head over to the Play Store, search for ARMOD VPN, and install it if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app. This is the home screen. Now follow these steps. Tap the small plus button, plus at the bottom, to open a drop-down menu. Click on SSH Tunnel. This will open a new page. In the Remarks field, enter any name for your server, e.g. SSH Tunnel. In the address box, enter the IP or host of your server. Set the port to 443 or as given in your server details. Enter your username and password from the UDP custom website. Add a valid payload and proxy if available. Under TLS type, select the correct option. If available, enter the SNI, server name indication, or host name of your server. Once all the details are entered correctly, tap the top right Save button to save the configuration. Now let's connect to our secure web connection. Go back to the home screen of the ARMOD VPN app. Tap the play button to start the connection. Wait a few seconds for the VPN to establish a secure connection. To verify that your connection is secured, check if your IP address has changed. Go back to the UDP custom website. Click on the menu button to expand the options. Select Check My IP. If your IP address is different, congratulations! Your network is now secured. And that's it. We've successfully created an SSH, SSL, TLS server and set it up on ARMOD VPN for